Morning, y'all. Students often struggle with their first major decision in quantitative research, selecting the correct statistical test. There's flowcharts that show the choice depends on the question and the number of variables and whether the data meet parametric assumptions. It begins with a simple prompt. What is the main question? And branches towards group differences, associations, and predictions. The structure teaches a practical habit before running any analysis to find the measurement scale, identify the independent and dependent variables, and confirm whether the data fit normality assumptions. With one dependent variable and independent groups, parametric tests such as t-test and ANOVA appear on the chart. When assumptions fail and the path shifts towards Mann-Whitney or Kutzko-Wallace when comparing proportions, the flow moves towards chi-square. When examining relationships, Pearson and Spearman become the tools dependent on linearity and distribution. The lesson for students is to match the test to the question, not the question to the test. Misalignment produces weak findings and cannot be replicated. Good analysis justify each decision with clarity. How many variables, what scale, independent or correlated groups, and whether the data meet parametric criteria. The chart also reinforces that statistical tests are not interchangeable. Each test answers a specific question. ANOVA examines mean differences across levels of independent variable. Chi-square tests independence among categories. Regression predicts outcomes from predictors. The flow charts value lies in forcing the researcher to choose with intention instead of habit. Students who follow the structure build confidence. They learn that correct test selection is not memorization but classification. They learn move from question to method and a logical sequence. The discipline becomes a foundation for every project that follows. Los